Buzz allows you to create choice activities that provide a powerful personalized learning experience. They enable your students to review approved activities and choose to complete the ones that best align with their interests and goals. The choice activities are done at the folder level. To create a choice folder is when you create the folder, you will have the option in the settings to choose Enable Student Choice for this folder. In here, I will be able to require the number of choices. I could also allow extra choices. I can choose from any folder, choose from the digital library, and also make this a project. These are the choices, so I click Save. When I make this a choice folder, I will now see this Choice Activities icon. When I click on this, I will then be able to choose the activities I want to add. I can choose from the library or create them. I'm going to choose from the library, and I'll just drill down into some activities I want to choose. So in this example, I'm going to give 4 choices. And click Close. Now I have 4 choices in my activities. If I expand this folder, I will see the activities that are required, and then I could view the Choose activities here. Let's view this from the student's perspective. You can see the 3 types of folder options. In the Choice option, I can see the activities that are required, and then go to my Choice activities. From here, I can preview these, and if I like it, I can go ahead and choose it. This now becomes part of my playlist. So if I close this, and I look again in that list, here is the activity that I chose along with what my teacher has assigned to me.